Alright guys, so today, last weekend or so I bought this wild bird brand. It says designed by nature bird feeding station from Lowe's, and I'm really surprised by this product, how really good this is. Quality's pretty good. You can see it's 92 inches tall, and it's constructed of some really good solid steel. Feels good, and it looks like it's designed pretty well. Put some links below maybe to get a chance, but here it is, and it comes in 4 pieces with 2 hanger pieces, and it's real nice. You put it on the wing nuts, and it's real strong and solid. This stuff is, like really strong, you know. So I'm gonna try to put it out here in the center of this, and do some more Baltimore backyard bird watching. And Tank sees the neighbor's dogs. They're out there grilling away. But try to get this put in. Alright? Alright, you guys. So as you can see, I managed to do it. I managed to swoop the piece underneath the table up through the hole, get it started. And now I got my bird feeder holder. I've been waiting for birds to come by, but they haven't come yet. Okay, you guys. It's my first little visitor, and it is beautiful. I'm not even 1,000% sure what kind of bird that is. Wow. Stop looking. I'm sorry. Tank's licking the tripod. I'm holding it, trying to keep it a little steady here. Yeah, nobody's really coming by yet except for him, but so we'll focus in on him a little bit more. Gosh, it's so beautiful. So somebody, I'll probably Google it myself by the night's end, but you guys know what kind of bird this is. Just leave a comment below. It's pretty cool looking. Well, I told you there's a ton of birds. I really wasn't kind of exaggerating. Whoa, I scared him. Look at the mourning doves. They didn't move. Female cardinal.